Looking for a hassle-free way to connect your Mini DisplayPort device to an HDMI display? This 6-foot Mini DisplayPort 1. 2 to HDMI 1. 4 cable supports stunning Ultra HD 4K resolution at 30 Hz, delivering sharp images up to 3840 by 2160 or 4096 by 2160 at 24 Hz. It also carries 7. 1-channel audio and supports HDCP 1. 4 for protected content. If crisp visuals and sound matter, this cable has you covered. What makes this cable stand out is its broad compatibility. It works flawlessly with MDP++ sources, including Thunderbolt 1 and 2 MacBooks, MacBook Air, Mac Mini, and Microsoft Surface Pro models 1 through 6. It's also ideal for desktops with AMD FirePro or NVIDIA Quadro graphics, Intel NUCs, and Mini ITX computers. So, whether you're upgrading your home office or outfitting a conference room, this cable fits right in. The design is just as thoughtful as its performance. The adapter chip is integrated into the HDMI connector, reducing clutter and minimizing signal loss. This means you get a crystal clear image without bulky adapters or messy cables. The flexible 6-foot length allows easy routing behind desks or entertainment centers, keeping your workspace neat and professional. Setup couldn't be simpler. No drivers or software are needed, just plug and play. This cable works seamlessly with macOS, Windows, and Ubuntu operating systems, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of devices. If you've got a Mini DisplayPort on your laptop or desktop, this cable makes connecting to an HDMI monitor or projector effortless. One user shared how they added a second monitor to their late 2015 iMac using this cable, no extra adapters required. The cable's sturdy build and thick design suggest it's built to last, even with daily use. That kind of reliability matters when you depend on your setup for work or entertainment. If you want to eliminate clutter and enjoy high-quality 4K visuals, this Mini DisplayPort to HDMI cable is worth a look. It's the straightforward solution for connecting your MacBook Pro, Surface Pro, or any Mini DP-enabled device to an HDMI display without compromise. Ready to upgrade your display setup? This cable makes it easy to bridge the gap between Mini DisplayPort devices and HDMI screens with crystal clear video and rich audio. Try it when you're ready to experience a cleaner, more reliable connection that just works.